All right, in this video, we are going to be adding staves and talk about some potential troubleshooting with how to rebuild a part. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to go up to score, and then we'll click on the staves and bars. And when that happens, you'll see these pencils with bubbles appear. Now, if you click on the bubble with a pencil inside the bubble that's inside the staff, located on the staff, not above the staff. All right. You will get to the side panel here on the left that says staff properties. Now, since I've highlighted and chosen this staff, I can choose to actually put a stave above that or below it. So in this case, let's go ahead and add a staff below. And let's say I want to add a percussion part. So now I'll go up to instrument family. You'll see that my new staff is highlighted. I'll go to percussion, and then I'll choose snare drum. And then I can go to staff name and display options. You'll notice you can choose your options there. I'll just say check all, and then I'll apply. And now you can see that that staff is now a single snare drum line, right? Now here's the troubleshooting part, okay? So once you've done that, I encourage you to actually go ahead and file and save, and then continue using. Now let's go to the snare drum part itself. Sometimes I've noticed in working with some of my students and also just in general my own SmartMusic creations, while this looks like the part that I would see normally, right, where it's got measures and it looks to be in the same format. Sometimes this will look like a multi-measure rest. The format will be all mashed up and things just won't seem right. And if I were to open this up in SmartMusic and play along with it like an assignment, it would just not be available. So what you have to do in this step, when that happens, while you're editing your score, you go up to score and you go to this gear where it says display options, display and editing options. Click on that, and that's where you'll want to click on rebuild part, and it will adjust. Okay. Again, sometimes that happens, sometimes you don't, but I wanted to make sure that I reviewed that part so you can avoid any frustration, as it took me a long time to figure out. All right. Best of music making to you, and see you in another video.